Ever wondered how the Lexus GX 460 has managed to stand out in the world of luxury SUVs? Well, we're about to unravel the mystery. This ride isn't just another pretty face on the road. No, the Lexus GX 460 is a unique blend of style, power, and innovation that has seen it rise to the top of the luxury SUV league. Let's start with the basics. Born and bred by the renowned Lexus brand, the GX 460 is a mid-size luxury SUV that is as comfortable cruising downtown as it is off-roading in the wilderness. It's the perfect blend of ruggedness and refinement, offering a driving experience that's second to none. From its meticulously crafted doors to its robust wheels, dynamic exhausts, innovative picture box, and stunning array of colors, the GX 460 is designed to impress at every turn. So, are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of the Lexus GX 460? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into what makes this a remarkable vehicle. The Lexus GX 460 isn't just about looks and power. The design of its doors is a testament to Lexus's attention to detail. Now let's delve into the specifics. The doors of the GX 460 are a perfect blend of luxury and practicality, engineered with both aesthetics and function in mind. Let's start with the design. The doors exude a sense of sophistication and elegance. The paneling, the sleek handles, the graceful curves all contribute to the overall aura of class that the GX 460 radiates. They're not just doors, they're a reflection of the opulence that Lexus embodies. Moving on to functionality, the doors of the GX 460 are as practical as they are plush. They open wide and high, providing easy access to the plush interiors. This is especially beneficial for those of us who are on the taller side, or for those times when you're trying to maneuver a bulky item into the back seat. One unique aspect of the GX 460's doors that we must discuss is the rear door. Unlike most SUVs, which have a traditional upward opening tailgate, the GX 460 features a side-opening rear door. This design choice isn't just for aesthetics. It makes loading and unloading much easier, especially in tight parking spots. Plus, it's equipped with a convenient window that opens independently, allowing for quick access to the cargo area without having to open the entire door. But what truly sets these doors apart is the combination of luxury and practicality. The doors exemplify Lexus's commitment to providing a superior driving experience. They're not just about functionality or aesthetics alone, they're about providing a sense of comfort and ease every time you step into or out of the vehicle. In conclusion, the doors of the Lexus GX 460 are more than just entrances and exits to the vehicle. They're an integral part of the GX 460's identity, reflecting the brand's commitment to luxury, functionality, and attention to detail. The doors of the Lexus GX 460 truly set a high bar for luxury SUVs. Now, let's shift our focus to the wheels and exhausts of the Lexus GX 460. We're talking about an automobile that's a blend of luxury and off-road prowess, and the wheels and exhausts play a pivotal role in that equation. These aren't just elements that add to the aesthetic appeal of the GX 460. They are intricately designed components that contribute to its performance and overall driving experience. The wheels of the Lexus GX 460 are engineered to perfection. They come in an impressive 18-inch, 6-spoke alloy design, providing a strong and sturdy base for the vehicle. The wheels are not only robust but also lightweight, ensuring improved fuel efficiency and better handling. Their high-gloss metallic finish adds that touch of sophistication, seamlessly blending with the vehicle's luxurious appeal. But what's a set of sleek wheels without the right tyres? The GX 460 is equipped with all-season tyres that offer optimal performance in varying weather conditions, from scorching summers to freezing winters. With these, you can navigate through different terrains with ease, making it the perfect companion for your off-road adventures. Now, moving on to the exhausts. The Lexus GX 460 features a dual exhaust system designed to reduce back pressure and noise, enhancing engine efficiency and power. The exhausts are strategically placed to avoid any off-road obstacles, ensuring the vehicle's performance is not compromised in any way. The chrome exhaust tips add to the vehicle's premium look and feel, reflecting Lexus's attention to detail. The wheels and exhausts of the Lexus GX 460 are more than just car parts. They represent the brand's commitment to delivering a vehicle that marries luxury with performance. Every detail, Every design choice is made with the driver's comfort and vehicle's performance in mind. In conclusion, the GX 460's wheels and exhausts are not just aesthetically pleasing, they are crucial elements that enhance the vehicle's performance and driving experience. They embody the perfect balance between form and function, style and substance. The wheels and exhausts of the GX 460 not only enhance its performance, but also contribute to its commanding presence. Beyond its physical features, the Lexus GX 460 also boasts a unique picture box and a range of stunning colours. Let's delve into the world of the GX 460's picture box. For the uninitiated, the picture box is a high-tech, onboard infotainment system that brings a wealth of entertainment and information to your fingertips. It's your go-to source for navigation, vehicle status, and even climate control, all displayed on a crisply detailed screen. The beauty of the picture box lies in its simplicity. It's intuitive, user-friendly, and designed to be easily navigated at a glance. You can switch between functions with a flick of the finger, ensuring your focus remains on the road. It's a fusion of smart technology and smart design, tailored to enhance your driving experience. But a car isn't just about functionality, it's also about personality, and that's where the GX 460's colour options come into play. The Lexus GX 460 offers a palette of colours, each designed to complement its elegant, robust exterior. From the classic Starfire Pearl, a pristine white that exudes sophistication, to the striking Nightfall Mica, a deep blue that hints at the GX 460's untamed spirit. The Claret Mica, a deep red, adds a touch of boldness, while the Nebula Grey Pearl lends a sense of calm and composure. Each colour has been carefully selected not just for its visual appeal, but also for its ability to enhance the GX 460's lines and curves to highlight its design elements. The result is a vehicle that doesn't just look good, it looks like it was born to turn heads. And that's the beauty of the Lexus GX 460. It's not just a car, it's a statement. It's a reflection of its driver, of their taste and style, their love for quality, and their appreciation for innovation. The picture box and colour options of the Lexus GX 460 are the final touches that make this vehicle truly stand out. Having explored the Lexus GX 460 in detail, it's clear that this vehicle is more than just a luxury SUV. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned about this remarkable machine. Its doors, for instance, embody the very essence of Lexus's commitment to excellence. They're not just access points, they're gateways to a world of comfort and elegance. Crafted with precision, they offer seamless ingress and egress, embodying the blend of functionality and aesthetics that Lexus is renowned for. And then we have the wheels and exhausts. The wheels, robust yet stylish, are designed to handle any terrain with grace and poise. They're more than just the vehicle's footwear, they're a testament to the GX 460's readiness to take on any journey. The exhausts, on the other hand, are a symphony in steel, tuned to produce a sound that is as pleasing to the ear as it is indicative of the power that lies beneath the hood. Speaking of what lies beneath, let's not forget the GX 460's picture box. This technology brings an extra layer of luxury to the driving experience, providing a crystal-clear view of the vehicle's surroundings. It's like having a personal concierge guiding you through every maneuver. And of course, we can't overlook the colours. With a palette inspired by nature's most breathtaking vistas, the GX 460 is a movable feast for the eyes. Whether you prefer the cool sophistication of Starfire Pearl or the fiery passion of Claret Mica, there's a hue to match every mood and personality. But the Lexus GX 460 is more than just the sum of its parts. It's a symphony of design and engineering, where every element works in harmony to create an unparalleled driving experience. It's a vehicle that doesn't just transport you from point A to point B, but makes the journey as memorable as the destination. The doors, the wheels, the exhausts, the picture box, the colours, they all come together to make the GX 460 a vehicle that exudes luxury, functionality and aesthetics. It's a car that commands attention, not just for its stunning design, but for the promise of the exceptional journey that lies within. In the end, the Lexus GX 460 is more than just a car. It's a statement of style, of sophistication, of a desire to not just travel, but to journey. It's a vehicle for those who don't just want to see the world, but want to experience it in all its glory. The Lexus GX 460, with its exceptional features and stunning design, is indeed a vehicle that leaves a lasting impression.